Alright guys, this is 59 Wild Boy here showing you my Mossberg 590 shotgun. This weekend I put a custom barrel on it and a custom paint job, as you can see here. For the custom barrel, all we used was 2 gun shells. It worked perfect. It makes it more accurate and it's a lot better. And for the custom paint job, all we used was sleeves and regular spray paint. Spray paint colors we used was Hostel Leaf Green, khaki, and brown to make this camo paint job. It is perfect. It's a lot better in person. And this is the mag of the gun. You can see here. It's perfect.